Hi children, welcome to our English class. Now I am explaining The Merchant Son part 3. Did you listen part 2 also? Okay, now I will explain part 3. See what happened here. When the words reached around, what the words? They are discussing about the marriage of the bride, no? Those words reached around. The king had to come himself to pacify everybody and stop the argument. Everyone, including the princess and the watchman's daughter, came to that place. That means the king had come to satisfy everybody. The king came to satisfy everybody and to stop the argument. Not only the king, the princess, the watchman's daughter, and everybody came to that place. See what happened there. The king asked the young man, "You are present in the ceremony. It is being said that you saved the would-be bride and everybody from that mad elephant. I ask you to clarify the whole thing to me." Now the king asking the young man. What was the king asking the young man? The king asked the young man, "I heard that you were saved the bride and everybody from the mad elephant. So please clarify whole thing to me once again." What happened? Whole thing once again clarify to me, asked the king to the young man. Let's see. The young man replied, the young man clarified. What happened? All the young man said was, then the young man was replied like this. What he replied? "You get what is destined for you." The princess and the watchman's daughter were embarrassed to hear the words. The young man replied. What the young man replied? What was destined for you? Was that the king asked? Is that the answer? No. But the young man replied the verse, same verse he replied. Then the princess and the watchman's daughter were embarrassed, means ashamed to hear that verse. The same sentence, the same sentence what he told near the princess and the watchman's daughters. So they ashamed to hear the verse. When the king heard this and saw the princess and the watchman's daughter blushing, he demanded to know the truth. The king observed that both women are embarrassed, that means feel ashamed, and then he ordered them to know the truth. What was the truth? The truth was the both women misunderstood the young man. The both women misunderstood the young man. There was no mistake of him. Is there any mistake of him? No. But both women were misunderstood him. That was the truth. First you know the truth, told the king to both women. Then the night watchman's daughter confessed of marrying him by mistake and said, "It was my destiny and I do not repent it." Then what the watchman's daughter said? The watchman's daughter confessed. Confessed means admitted. She agreed her mistake. What was that mistake? That was she exchanged the garland by mistake in the darkness. It was her mistake. There was no mistake of the young man. So she confessed of her mistake and said, what she said? "It was my destiny. It was my destiny." Destiny means what God has given to me, so I don't feel about it, she told. Next, the princess explained to the king that she had entertained him with food and drinks by mistake and said, "It was my destiny and I do not regret it." The princess also explained to the king. What she explained? I entertained him by giving food and drinks. When the young man met her, she served him fruits and food and drinks. No, that only she is saying here. By mistake I given him, by mistake I entertained him, she said, and it was also my destiny, so I also not feeling about it, said the princess. On hearing them, the bride approached the king. The bride also is there, no? She came, approached means came near to the king. The bride came near to the king and said, "O king, what destiny has already been given to me, none can take away from me. What God has already given to me, no one can take away from me." She told like that. After hearing everybody, what the princess and the watchman's daughter and the bride, what they all saying their opinion. After that, after hearing everybody's opinion, the king consulting with his ministers. Consulting means taking expert advice. The king take advice of his ministers and arranged for a ceremony. Then he arranged a ceremony, celebration. What ceremony he arranged? Let's see. He gifted the merchant's young son 1,000 villages apart from the gold ornaments. Then he gifted 1,000 villages to the merchant's son and also gold ornaments. And he arranged the marriage. He arranged the marriage of the young man with his young princess. He arranged the marriage with his daughter, with his young princess, and made him his heir to the throne. Heir to the throne. That means he made him king. He made him king to that kingdom. What happened at the end of the story? The king made the young man as his father-in-law and make him his heir to the throne. How all this happened? Because of his honesty, the young man's honesty. Children, did you enjoy the lesson? Read this lesson 1 or 2 times. Listen this lesson 1 or 2 times to understand. Thank you.